Now, there's a lot of people with a lot of differing opinions on a lot of different things. And it's no different for AMC stock. We've got people out there trying to convince you that the AMC stock short squeeze is over. We've got people out there trying to convince you that it is time to trade AMC stock. We've got people out there trying to convince you that AMC is stronger than ever, and if you hold now, it's going to be even better than before. So let's take a look at a couple different perspectives here. Because guys, at the end of the day, nobody is ever 100% correct on anything, but we have to remember, we're not, and we did not get into AMC because we expected a $40 run up, because we expected a retail pump and dump. I bought AMC stock for a short squeeze. That happens when the shorts cover their shares. And I can tell you that the shorts have not covered their shares. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account, and a $100 deposit is going to get you at least 2 free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice in $5 in free crypto. So make sure to check that out, guys. If you get in on this dip as things are low, as soon as they go higher again, you're going to be making money. Now, knowing that, that's the question. As soon as it goes higher again, will it go higher again? Will it go lower and higher? Will it go higher and lower? You've got, I guess, conviction in all aspects of the investment here. Traders coming out telling you that the only way to earn money on AMC stock is by trading it. Now, look, I will tell you that you can make money trading. You can make money trading moving averages. You can make money trading support and resistance. You can make money trading really any type of technical indicator that you would like. But here's what that takes. Extreme discipline, because you will also lose money. I'm telling you right now, these moving average crossovers, they're excellent, but they're not 100% accurate. And unless you trade every single one of them, you could have a hit-miss rate that doesn't equal out to a profitable trading plan. So you need to be extremely disciplined if you're going to be day trading or swing trading. Just know that. Because in the long run, it's this saying that patience pays, or the stock market investments favor those that are patient. There's a reason behind that. Overall, during a long period of time, assets grow in value. Now, you could buy something. Imagine if you bought nearly anything, any major company that didn't go out of business in the last 2 decades or decade even. I just use it the last decade, recovering from the 2009 low. You would have been doing incredibly to hold any one of those companies. And they have continued to grow over the last decade. And they will likely continue to grow over the next decade. Now, there's something to be said about that patience and that holding strategy. But if you guys are impatient, if you need to trade, if you need to see those daily profits being booked on your portfolios, absolutely, go for it. But please practice patience, or not, well, I mean, kind of patience, yes, but please practice discipline if you're going to be trading. Now, with that being said, I still do not think that we should be trading AMC stock. Why? Every time we make a trade, we create volume. In creating this volume, this transaction, it does 2 things. Number 1, it gives us an opportunity to sell to the hedge funds. Every time you click that sell button, you do not know who is buying your shares. It could be me. It could be a hedge fund. So plain and simple, I'm not selling mine until the short squeeze takes place, because I don't even want to give the hedge funds an opportunity. Even if they're not currently closing out their shares, they're not going to have that opportunity. Now, the next thing that takes place is, because volume increases, we decrease the days to cover. Because days to cover is simply the short shares outstanding divided by the average volume. And if average volume increases, that days to cover number decreases. Now, that significantly reduces the risk that hedge funds have or that short shares have. With a very high short interest and a very high days to cover, that's more risk for the hedge funds. Therefore, their lenders are more likely to margin call them. You don't get margin called simply because the price moves higher. You can get margin called because the risk moves higher. Think about it. If you loan somebody money and you start to feel like they're not going to be able to pay it back, what are you going to do? You're likely to ask for that money back. If you feel comfortable that they're going to pay it back whenever you ask for it, you're going to be fine. You're going to say, keep it, man. It's okay. Just keep paying me interest. Keep paying me that interest. It's fine. But as soon as you start to feel like they're in a risky situation, you're more likely to call that money back. And that is exactly what the hedge funds are up against if days to cover continues to move up. Now, anything above 8 is considered high according to the averages. But guys, I would love to see volume get down to 1 million shares and days to cover goes up to 100 days to cover. I mean, you were talking about just ridiculous risk at that point and near guaranteed margin calls. I say near guaranteed margin calls because nobody can guarantee anything, especially with everything that we've got going on, right? So knowing that there are different convictions out there, trading, okay, great. Have discipline and trade something else. Mess around with options if you need to on AMC stock. The short squeeze is absolutely still on. To anybody out there saying that it's off, I think that they're just fed up. I think that they're just sick and tired, that they haven't seen it come through yet, and they've given up. Why do I say that? Because we've got higher short interest now than we had a year ago when everybody was excited. We've got higher prices now than a year ago when everybody was excited. We've got higher risk for the hedge funds because AMC is improving its fundamentals on a daily basis than we did a year ago. Everything today is better than it was a year ago. So if you find somebody out there who's got a pessimistic attitude, it's simply because they no longer have the patience to play the game. They no longer have what it takes to hold AMC, and they are giving up. Because, listen, I understand if it's tough, but the numbers are out there. And the numbers tell you that the short squeeze the possibility is still on. That the potential for life-changing money is still on. So I want to know if you guys are still on. Let me know down in the comments below. Stop the nonsense about AMC is over and all of that. Encourage the rest of us down there to continue holding, to stay strong, and to get ready for one of the biggest squeezes in history. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance Gemini in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.